बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। Number 1. Liaquat Ali Khan was assassinated in Rawalpindi on dash. Answer is 16th October 1951. Number 2. What was the magnitude of the earthquake that shook northern Pakistan and Azad Kashmir on October 8, 2005? Answer is 7.6. Number 3. National flag of Pakistan was designed by dash. Answer is Amiruddin Qudwai. Number 4. The first Prime Minister of Pakistan was. Answer is Liaquat Ali Khan. Number 5. Who was the first Governor General of Pakistan? Answer is Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Number 6. The picture on the back of 1000 rupee Pakistani note. Answer is Islamia College, Peshawar. Number 7. The city of textile is dash. Answer is Faisalabad. Number 8. The first Mughal emperor Babur's tomb situated in dash. Answer is Kabul. Number 9. The office of Council of Islamic Ideology is located in which city of Pakistan? Answer is Islamabad. Number 10. On dash President Ayub Khan was sworn in for a second term as president. Answer is 27 October 1958.